Hey guys, Pete Techman Coleman here, and I'm in New York City, and I've just received a very special delivery. Let's open it up and have a look. I think I know what it might be. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's check this down here. The brand new GARYVEE 005s. As you can see here, I'm rocking my GARYVEE 004s. These are the brand new 005s just released on Thanksgiving, so let's have a look. Look at this. Authenticity wins. Love it. Really nice shoe case, shoe bag. All right, let's have a look. Nice. Wow. Very cool. Yeah, I like it. What do you think? Pretty awesome. You got the GV on the back, GARYVEE K-Swiss 005s. Check them out.